If there is one conference I look forward to every year, it's Berkshire Hathaway's annual general meeting. I'm not a shareholder and I have never attended this conference, but I glean a lot of valuable information out of it about finance and life in general from both Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, who run this great global company, Berkshire Hathaway. This year is no exception. It's not just about finance, but about the global outlook and general sense of where we are heading as mankind. Even during this annual meeting of Berkshire, there was a lot of talk about generative AI, but Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett were spot on regarding generative AI as usual. Charlie Munger said that old fashioned intelligence works fine, and this is the top key away from this annual general meeting. If you want to be sure about one thing, and if you want to take away only one thing from this conference, this is it, that old fashioned intelligence works fine. So if you're worried about your job as cloud engineer, DevOps engineer, IT engineer, or any other creative job, then remember this line from Charlie, that your human intelligence is not going anywhere. It works fine and it always will. I hope you found it useful. I'm still watching it because it was streamed on CNBC last night, and I will be posting more and more videos about specific to Gen AI and cloud engineering if I found anything relevant and useful on my channel. Thank you very much. And of course, if you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thanks.